minds of the tourism stakeholders, taxi owners, hoteliers, and other related businesses, and the people of South Goa in general, as regards to the recent announcement by national carrier Air India that is shifting its international operations from Dabolim to Manohar International Airport at Mopa. Since the commissioning of Manohar International Airport, many airline companies have shifted from Dabolim to Mopa, and this trend is going. Speaker Sir, till August 5th, 2024, 3 flight operators have shifted their operations from the Goa International Airport at Dabolim to Manohar International Airport at Mopa, and the trend is continuing. Despite appeals, government has failed to stop the shifting of airlines from Dabolim to Mopa. Speaker Sir, this move will have a significant impact on the tourism industry in South Goa. There is fear among the stakeholders and people that Dabolim Airport will be shut to help Manohar International Airport's growth. Speaker Sir, Dabolim Airport was dying a slow death and was on a ventilator, and now this currently government is removing and killing it. Speaker Sir, what is surprising is LAQ 184 dated 24th March 2025. Maka jo ek LAQ dila, Speaker Sir, in a letter to the Chief Minister dated 26 September, the Minister for Civil Aviation, Jyotiraditya Scindia, has said, I'll read the paragraph. However, in order to retain flights from Dabolim, the Airport Authority of India has announced incentives for the airlines. Further, in view of communication, this ministry has sensitized the airlines about your concerns regarding shifting operations from Dabolim to Mopa. The government has provided an environment for growth of the civil aviation sector, but it does not interfere with operational plan of the airlines. As Munne, whatever we spoke, Dabolim is turning into a ghost airport. The government cannot help, nor can the double engine help. Speaker Sir, the Civil Aviation Minister and clear सांगला हात धुयलय आपणाच्यान काय करू जायना म्हणून ओ आन्सर म्हाका ह्या पत्रान मेळा जे मुखेलमंत्रीक त्यान पत्र बरयल्ले हेजेर म्हाका दिसता हो गंभीर इश्यू आहा. This seems to be a business model now that and Dabolim will surely become a ghost airport.
Sri Vijay Sir.